They ordered the coffin. He came back in a suit. I'm going to say something today that the political class of Zimbabwe is known for years, but he had been too afraid, too compromised, or too comfortable to say publicly. Nisada pena mashiko yacha kwa pana na retired general lieutenant Mapranga Ashamisa vanhu. Don't subscribe or like or on the bell icon. They did not just hope for it. They planned around it. They celebrated prematurely. They made calls. They positioned. They began the quiet architecture of a post-Chiwenga political landscape, distributing assurance, managing expectations, preparing the succession mathematics for a Zimbabwe in which the men who made November 2017 possible would no longer be breathing. And then he landed midnight. Chinese chartered plane, unannounced, not in a coffin, in a suit, healthy, glowing, transformed, and the people who had been counting his days had to look him in the eye. What 2019 actually was. I will not dress this up. I will not use the language of diplomatic ambiguity that this subject is historically required for the survival to those who dare to touch it. What happened to VP Kosano Chiwenga in 2019 was not a natural illness. Men in my position, men who have spent careers inside Zimbabwe's security and intelligence architecture do not arrive at that conclusion casually. We arrive at this through the same methodology we have applied to every operational assessment in our professional lives: pattern recognition, source corroboration, and the disciplined elimination in coincidence as an explanation framework. The pattern in 2019 was not subtle. The celebration was those closest to State House when General Chiwenga's health collapsed was not the concern of people watching a colleague suffer. It was the relief of people watching an obstacle dissolve. The calls that went out to party officials, to military contacts, to political allies were not calls of condolences. They were calls of premature victory. The man is gone, finished, done and dusted, spoken with the confidence of people who knew something about the godliness that they were not in a position to share publicly. Then came China, 8 months, the full weight of Chinese medical intervention applied to a body that has been brought very low indeed. And then the midnight return, the resurrection nobody planned for. I choose that word deliberately, resurrection, because what General Chiwenga's return represented to those who had engineered his departure, who had begun restructuring their political calculations around his permanent absence, was not simply a medical recovery. It was the collapse of an operation. We are told that the president, the first lady, visited Chiwenga after his return. Doma developments anoda toka panapa nemukomana aiwa mapuranga achiuya achipembera the life of VP Chiwenga. Pena comment section menu zafungura yenyu motokudei pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, kwachino tomba bell icon.